Hello students, in our previous class we have completed the chapter 3. Now in this part we have discussed about the exercise of this chapter. Number 1. What do you understand by the word government? List 5 ways in which you think the government affects your daily life. The government is an agency that runs the administration of a country. It exercises control over the people of a country. The government affects our daily life in the following way. First, the government maintains peace and order. The government protects us from foreign attacks. The government provides us with water and electricity. The government builds roads, canals and dams. Number 5, the government builds schools and provide transport facility. Number 2, why do you think the government needs to make rules for everyone in form of law? The people live and work together. There is a certain rules and regulations. Laws are required to control the activity of the people. If there are no laws, it would encourage criminal activity. In order to protect the resources of the country, the government passes certain law. Number 3. Name 2 essential features of a democratic government. 2 essential features of a democratic government are: first, universal adult franchise. All adult citizens should have the right to vote. Second, fair elections. Election must be held within a certain period of time. They should be free and fair. Number 4. What was the suffrage movement? What did it accomplish? The word suffrage means the right to vote. There was a long struggle for the acceptance of the principle of universal adult franchise. In some countries, the poor and the women were not allowed to vote earlier. Movements and strikes were held to give voting rights to all. The workers and the farmers led this movement. The suffrage movement got success by securing the rights for all men and women.